My name is Teja Surya. I am studying LKG. Today I will speak about school. My school is big and clean. I go to school every day. I like my teacher very much. I love my school very much. I tell the freedom fighters Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagaji, Rani Lakshmibai, Shanguli Rayana. Good evening, dear principal, guest, teachers, dear parents, and now my dear friends. My name is Taruna. To speak about my father. My father is my hero. He was very hard every day. He loves and cares our family. Helps in my studies. It teaches me